To set up Smart Access, from the Administration portal, go to Security, then Policies, and choose the policy you're working within. Select MFA, and at the top, if enabled, you will see Smart Access. Check the box to enable and then set your risk level. Let's review the risk levels. Smart Access prevents users who meet or exceed the defined risk level from accessing the portal. In this scenario, I've selected low, but that is considered extremely strict. Maybe I would use this for a high security app. Medium is middle of the road tolerance. Users that exhibit mostly predictable behavior would likely not be prompted as often. High is the most tolerant. It would catch the extreme anomalies, like a user who is usually logging in from California, suddenly logging in from another country. Now I'm going to log out of my demo account and turn on my VPN to make it appear as if I'm in another location, which is outside of my normal behavior. Note the prompt for a second factor of authentication. But then a notification appears letting the user know they are required to contact their administrator. If we look at the event log for this login, you can see I was denied because this login was considered high risk, exceeding the low risk level set within the security policy, reducing threat exposure.